How to upload products to Etsy via the CedCommerce app. Ready to list your products on Etsy? We'll walk you through all the ways, whether you're uploading one or in bulk. Let's dive right in. Navigate to the Products section. Click on Products in the left-hand menu. Upload a single product without an assigned profile. Got a product you want to list, but no profile assigned yet? Let's fix that. Click Assign Profile under the Actions column. This brings up your saved profiles. But wait, what exactly is a profile? A profile acts like a blueprint. It bundles together important listing details, like Etsy category, attributes, shipping policy, inventory rules, and pricing strategy. Profiling helps you list faster with fewer manual steps, stay compliant with Etsy's listing requirements, organize better for future edits, improve discoverability with better categories and tags. If you don't find what you need, click Create a new one. Once you're ready, click Add. Now go to the three-dot icon under Actions. You'll see three options: Edit Product, Update Titles, Images, Tags, etc. Assign, Unassign Profile, Switch if you made a wrong selection, Publish, Update Product. This is the one you want. Click Publish to list your product on Etsy. Once it's done, you'll see the Etsy listing ID next to your product. Success! Others don't want to upload in bulk? Whether it's 2 or 25, select the products, then click Publish Update from the top toolbar. This will redirect you to choose an existing profile or create a new one. Once you're done, then hit Publish. As the process completes, you'll be able to see Etsy listing IDs for each successful upload. Bulk upload, all products already profiled. If all your products are already assigned to profiles, this one's even faster. Select the products, click Publish, Update, and then Publish. Once done, you'll see Etsy listing IDs next to all listed products. That's it, bulk listing, seamless and simplified. You're done. Whether it's one product or hundreds, listing on Etsy from the CedCommerce app is fast, flexible, and built for scale. Happy selling!